Welcome to the Amazon CloudFront Overview. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network which is fast, highly secure, and programmable. Amazon CloudFront allows for the delivery of static and dynamic content, as well as applications. The delivery of this content through CloudFront can scale to millions of globally distributed concurrent users. CloudFront's lightning-fast content delivery capabilities are achieved through a massively scaled and globally distributed network with numerous edge locations, also called points of presence. These points of presence, which cache content, bring cloud services closer than ever to the end user, no matter where they are in the world, or where your main service is hosted. Next, we will discuss some of the benefits of using CloudFront. The first benefit is fast content delivery. CloudFront points of presence are interconnected through the AWS backbone. This backbone is fully redundant and built with a parallel high-speed Ethernet fiber network. Connection to this AWS network backbone vastly reduces latency, effectively increasing customer speeds. Moreover, to further decrease latency, CloudFront uses a multi-tiered caching architecture. It also intelligently routes your content to the most performant edge locations, based on your end-user needs. The next benefit is CloudFront's cost-effectiveness. CloudFront offers personalized pricing options including pay-as-you-go and custom pricing. Pay-as-you-go pricing is simple, with no upfront fees. However, for steeper discounts, consider using custom pricing. Custom pricing requires minimum traffic commitments, such as 10 terabytes per month. Custom pricing may also include bundled discounts. Customers can see large security service savings of up to 30%. CloudFront also offers origin savings. Origin fetches are free for content if the origins are simple storage service, elastic load balancers, or elastic compute cloud. CloudFront also makes use of regional edge caches at no additional cost. Regional edge caches can reduce the total operational costs and burden. Another benefit of CloudFront is its integration with AWS. CloudFront provides deep integration with AWS services such as Simple Storage Service, Elastic Compute Cloud, Elastic Load Balancing, and Elemental Media Services. This deep level of integration improves developer and DevOps efficiency. Developers have a full-featured API to create, configure and maintain CloudFront distributions. In addition, developers have access to a number of developer tools such as AWS Code Deploy, Code Commit, and AWS SDKs to configure and deploy their workloads with Amazon CloudFront. Developers will also have ability to manage infrastructure with tools like CloudFormation, and can get a host of metrics and logs with CloudWatch integration.